Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco X50 Configuration. 1. Power on Deco X50 Outdoor. Remove the base plate from Deco X50 Outdoor. Store carefully to avoid losing base plate and screws. 2. Configure Deco X50 Outdoor with the Deco App. After successfully completing the configuration, take Deco X50 Outdoor, its baseplate, the installation accessories, and tools to the desired outdoor area. 3. Select a suitable installation location. The installation location can significantly impact performance and coverage range. Here are some suggestions when choosing the right location. Ensure a stable and secure power supply at the installation location. If using PO, consider the reach of the Ethernet cable. If X50 Outdoor and the closest indoor deco are connected wirelessly, it is recommended to keep the distance between X50 Outdoor and indoor unit within 33 feet, or 10 meters. It is recommended to install X50 Outdoor at the center of the target area where you want to expand the Wi-Fi coverage to evenly cover the entire area. Try to stay away from potential sources of Wi-Fi interference, such as neighboring Wi-Fi networks, high-voltage power lines, electronic devices, and appliances. It is recommended to install X50 Outdoor in a location where receive it is more protected from rain and direct sunlight. Thank you for watching.